Here we have various stores at different locations, and we have a weekly sales that is separated by comma, and you want to calculate the total sales. So we're going to use some functions instead of us arranging the number to add, maybe saying equal 105 plus 45, that's a long way. Instead of that, I will just sum it the way it is, just use equal sum, open your bracket, then I'll use this 2 dash. The 2 dash is to convert the resulting text snippet into actual numbers so that Excel can do the math within. Followed by TEXTSPLIT. Then pick the numbers, comma, then put a space, open my parentheses, comma, and close it, close my bracket, then press enter. So what the TEXTSPLIT did is wherever it sees a comma, it breaks that string apart and is able to add the figure. So what I'll just do is double-click this and get the total. So we have 60, 50, that's 110, 40, 70, 180, 190, 210. So that's just it, that's the math. And instead of you typing it out, you already have your total. That's it.